scrolling, posting, chasing the fame, caught in the loop of a digital game. Smiles on screens, but hearts turn cold. Real life's faded, bought and sold. Chained to the feed, can't feel the sun. Everyone's talking but speaking to none. We swipe for love, but end up numb. Connected to all, but truly to none. Yo, where's the soul? Where's the spark? Where's the light in all this dark? We lost the beat, we lost the vibe, but I still hear it, it's still alive.
Lost in the noise, but we can be found. Buried in silence, beneath the sound. Reach out your hand,
Break through the screen.
we're more than likes, we're more than machines. We're lost in the noise, but we can be found.
They sell us dreams in high-res gloss, but the price we pay is love we lost. Real talk's rare, deep hearts in drought. We ghost each other when truth comes out. But I met a girl, no mask, no game. She saw the storm, but loved me the same. She said, turn off the world, just listen to me. Breathe in the moment, that's how you're free. Now I feel the beat again inside. Not just the rhythm, it's how I survive. One voice real in a sea of fake. She gave me life, make no mistake.
We're lost in the noise, but we can be found. Buried in silence, beneath the sound. Reach out your hand,
Break through the screen.
we're more than likes, we're more than machines. We're lost